Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. To delete your Facebook account permanently, firstly open your Facebook application. After that, tap on three-lined icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Setting and Privacy, which is at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on Settings. Now after entering the Settings and Privacy, tap on the first option that says Meta Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details, which is at the Account Settings section. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. And inside Account Ownership and Control, you can find Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. Now tap on the account that you want to delete. There are two options, Deactivate and Delete Account. And by default, it has been selected to deactivate account. Tap on Delete Account, which is the second option. Now tap on Continue. Now choose any of the reasons why you want to delete your Facebook account permanently. After choosing the reasons, tap on Continue. Now tap on Continue. After that, scroll down. You can see Download your Facebook information. So if you want to back up the information of your Facebook account, you can download your Facebook information. But if you want to delete your account permanently, you can tap on Continue. Now type your password. After typing your password, tap on Continue. Now as a last option, Facebook will again ask you for your confirmation to delete your account permanently or not. Now tap on Delete Account. And after tapping on Delete Account, your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you will be able to delete a Facebook account permanently. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.